Bank A entered into repo for 14 days with Bank B. Repo transaction stands for repurchase agreement. In 10% Government of India bond 2028 at the rate of 5.65% for rupees 8 crore. Assuming that's the clean price, the price that does not have accrued interest. A very good clarification is made by them to be 99 rupees and 42 paise, an initial margin of 2% and days of the accrued interest be 262 days. You are required to determine first dirty price, second repayment at maturity, considered 360 days in a year. That is the question. Dear students, we understand that basically there are certain transactions that takes place between the banks, and this is one of such transaction. Basically it is given a name as the money market transactions. In this, what happens at the Bank A is approaching the Bank B, in which the Bank A wants loan from Bank B against the security of Government of India bond. We understand like this: Bank A is approaching to Bank B for the purpose of taking loan, and for this loan it is ready to give its own security, that is the investment that they have made in 10% Government of India bond. The time period for borrowing is only 14 days. At this point of time, so the Bank A is entering into the transaction of the repurchase. What does it mean? It means that the Bank A is telling to Bank B that whatever the amount of the loan that you will give to me, once I repay that amount of the loan, you have to return that security to me. That is a simple transaction that we have been provided over here. The question is providing over here that you are required to make the computation of the dirty price. Simple, that is the dirty price has a meaning that the price of the security taking into account the effect of the accrued interest. Because over here they have clearly specified a term called the clean price. The clean price means the price of the security that does not have the effect of the accrued interest. When you incorporate the effect of the accrued interest, then in that case it becomes the dirty price. That's it. And basically this price is supposed to be considered for the purpose of determination of the loan amount. For example, the price of the security is 110. That is including interest, because on this 99.42 rupees will include the interest. We have been provided with the information that this bond has a rate of interest of 10%. So in order to make the computation of the dirty price, we'll make the calculation of the interest on face value. We'll assume the face value to be 100 because that is very near to 99.42. We'll compute the interest on this 100 rupees at the rate of 10% for 262 days. That amount of the interest will be added to the clean price in order to make the calculation of the dirty price. That is the first thing that we have to do. In the second question, directly they have asked for the repayment of the loan. Of course, before we compute the repayment of loan, we are required to compute the loan amount. And the amount of the loan will depend upon the dirty price, that is in simple language, the current price of the security. We have been given that the face value of the Government of India bond is 8 crore. So we understand logically like this: 8 crore divided by 100, into 110. Suppose the dirty price is 110. So it comes to 8.8 crore. So that becomes the loan amount without considering the margin. We have been given that there is a margin of 2%. We always know that there is always some margin in case of the lending. So bank B is keeping a margin of just 2%. We know that in case of home loan, in case of vehicle loan, in case of the commercial property loan, every time there is a margin. If at all I want to purchase a house property of 50 lakhs, then I am not given the loan of 50 lakhs. When I mortgage the property of 50 lakhs, I will get the loan of 45 lakhs. When I mortgage the property of 50 lakhs, I get the loan of 40 lakhs. So depending upon says number of factors, so the bank is always keeping some margin. So over here, taking into account this margin information, taking into account the face value of the security and current price of the security, simple current price, will compute the loan amount, and to that interest will be added. The question is providing that so the rate of interest for the purpose of loan is 5.65%. So whatever the value of the loan plus interest, that is the repayment at the maturity. This is the way the simple transaction is required to be. That is, a transaction is entered upon and we are required to do certain calculations. Please write an answer. In this transaction, first point, Bank A is borrowing funds from Bank B. Full stop. Loan is taken against 10% GOI, Government of India, 2028, so 2028 maturity bond having total face value rupees 800 lakhs, 8 crore. Second point, clarification is made that the price of bond X interest in bracket I am writing clean price is rupees 99.42. Dirty price in bracket write down current price equals to clean price plus accrued interest for 262 days. Third point, loan will be taken at the rate of 5.65% interest, full stop. Further, bank B will keep margin of 2% at the time of giving loan. Full stop. Let us answer the first question. Calculation of dirty price. In the write down, assuming that face value of security is rupees 100, comma, dirty price is calculated. Full stop. Clean price plus accrued interest for 262 days. So 99.42 plus the rate of interest is given as 50%. 100 into 10% into 262 divided by 365. So 100 into 10% into 262 divided by 365. So 7.1780. So 7.18, let us take. So it is 106.60. That is answer. That one answer. I'm sorry, I took 365 days. I'm sorry. They have clearly provided to take 360 days. 100 into 10% into 262 divided by 360. $7.28 plus 99.42, so 106.70. Now answer for the second part of the question, in which we are required to find the repayment of loan. Before we compute the repayment of loan, first of all we have to calculate the loan amount. Working note number 1, calculation of loan amount. It is face value of bond in total divided by face value of single bond into dirty price. Whatever the answer that we find minus margin, because 8 crore is in total, so it is 800 lakhs upon 100, into the market price, that is dirty price is 106.7. Whatever the answer that we compute minus 2%. So 800 lakhs divided by 100 into 106.7. So 8 crore 53 lakh 60,000 minus 2%. So it is 8 crore 36 lakhs 52,800. That is the loan amount. Next, working note number 2. Calculation of repayment of loan. The repayment of loan is principal plus interest. This is the principal. 8 crore 36 lakhs 52,800. 8 crore 36 lakhs 52,800 plus 8 crore 36 lakhs 52,800 into what is the rate of interest? 5.65%. And what is the time period? 14 days. This is the way we'll compute the repayment of loan. So here 8 crore 36 lakhs 52,800 plus 1,83,000 803.79 8 crore 38 lakhs 36,603.79. This is the repayment of loan. So this is the way we are required to make the repayment of loan.